Well, the law that you are talking about, this Comstock law, is incredibly invasive. It extends its reach to the banning of the mailing of medical textbooks because of their depiction of the human body therein. Love letters fell under the Comstock Act. Some news articles were deemed too graphic. It's wild to me that Justices Alito and Thomas seem to have implied that the FDA should have been considering this relic when evaluating the safety of mifepristone. Talk to me about your thoughts.
Well, you're exactly right. I can't even really believe that we're talking about this. This bill, this old law, the Comstock Act, has been relegated to the dustbin of history for over 100 years. There's not even really been any attempt to enforce it since the 1930s. And yet here we are today actually hearing it being cited by justices of the United States Supreme Court. And why is that? It's because a Trump-appointed radical judge in Texas relied in part on the Comstock Act in his argument for why it should be illegal to mail medication abortion. You know, I'm trying to imagine how this could possibly be explained to a woman in Minnesota who is living in a state that I represent where the rights of people, the freedom of people to make their own decisions about health care, including abortion, have been protected. And yet, this could all change if these radical Republicans are successful in reinvigorating the Comstock Act to infringe on people's basic freedoms.
I have to wonder if Mr. Comstock would have thought the mailing of Viagra or Cialis would be a problem. The only reason I bring that up is because that might motivate a few more people to get in on the game. I mean, it's just a crazy way of looking at 2024 medicine.
Well, you know, it basically is rooted in this Victorian era idea that the government should be the morality police for everybody, that they should be in our personal business telling us what we could receive in the mail even. And yet, let's be honest, that is very much the theory behind what we see in this country today by politicians who believe that they should be the ones to decide what healthcare people can get. And we can see the implications of that, how cruel it is, what chaos it's creating. And this effort to bring the Comstock Act back is just another example of what has been really, it's like a through line from Donald Trump all the way to what we heard argued in the Supreme Court just last week.
Hey, everyone. MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.